Bafethu, Orlando Pirates, they'll have to blame themselves if they don't win the Betway Premiership title come the end of the season. Bafethu, Orlando Pirates miss a lot of opportunities. Orlando Pirates, they are panicking, Bafethu. Especially their last two games, they've been panicking, Bafethu. I don't know where this panic comes from. I said it against Richards Bay that the 3 points is the most important thing, right? But the performance, Orlando Pirates, they are panicking, Bafethu. They showed it again, namhlanje ukuthi these guys, they are panicking. I don't know where this panic comes from, Bafethu. From the coaches down to the players, everyone is panicking at Orlando Pirates. I don't know where it comes from, Bafethu. You can't win the Betway Premiership title if you can't control games at home, Bafethu. You cannot win a Betway Premiership if you can't be comfortable at home. Ekhayeni, Bafethu, if you can't be comfortable, where are you going to win games? Yabona uRicardo Goss had a brilliant game namhlanje. He was solid for Isiwelele. He was their best player, but khona amanye ama-opportunity, especially lawa evidence mahopa bafowethu. I am sorry. I don't know. There are some Orlando Pirates players that are chasing personal glory now. They want to be the superheroes. Abomurem, he scored, yes. But amanye opportunity ngibonile ukuthi say just pass the ball lapho ku 6-yard box. Mahopa. I mean, the finishing was poor namhlanje. Pirates, they will have to blame themselves if they don't win the Betway Premiership. Ref, you guys, you'll have to blame yourselves if you don't win the Betway Premiership title. Salute.
Pirates. Hey. So you Orlando Pirates draws 1-1 with Isiwelele. A lot of people might be shocked by these results. A lot of people might be angry at these results. But if you check the previous two games between these two clubs, because the previous game, Umbogazi washaya goal ngama last minute. Remember, Ekapin, long range. That other game, the first leg, the Pirates did not outplay Isiwelele, but they scored ngephutha elenziwa defense Isiwelele. Asimangali kakhulu ngento eyenzekile. But Orlando Pirates really had a good game, especially on the first half. They created opportunities. Iphutha labo ukungafinish ama opportunities abawatholile. I mean, guys, there are two opportunities that Umremi got. Two opportunities that Umremi got in the first half. Early one was pusha kakhulu phuma kwiline, elinye washaya ku goalkeeper, right? And other players also got the opportunities, but they could not convert. You know what's sad about this game is that Pirates played good football, especially on the first half, but they drew the game. And against Richards Bay, they didn't play good football, but they won the game. What is your priority? Is your priority good football and not win, or is it bad football and maybe get a trip? Pirates ihleli phezulu eligini with 48 points, 1 point ahead of Sundowns. But now with the game in hand, Sundowns, if winner, it's 50 points. But Alabavuli gap. There's still a lot of games. I don't think it's time to panic yet. And the footing in Sundowns is not like seeing a Stinsego Switchbazo winner game against Marumo Gallants on Tuesday. But whatever happens there, best believe we will be there.
Inkosi yami Isiwelele. Kathi siyazi vele ukuthi mina ngiyasaba nje Isiwelele. Angithanda ukudlala neSiwelele. Hayi useniyabona why. Game yokuqala sidlale neSiwelele. Kwakoro aPolice Umbokazi wabe man of the match. Game yesibili kwakoro Umbokazi. Ukusho ukuthi Umbokazi uyena Nsizwa. Kodwa ke Umbokazi abekho nje manje. Yabona ngithi mesiba addressa labafethu laba niyabavikela nina. Ngeke ngiba address ke namhlanje. Ngizozama ungaba address. Nalokho nje cha nje ngizobongela uRicardo Goss ayidlalile leyansizwa ibenza sure. Hayi. Ngeke man of the match mina ngayinika yena ke mina. Yabo uplace ile upulele la bola yazwa. Bathe mebefaka uProfessor Sanoka ngasho ukuthi ayithi chai ngescore la. Yabo mna nje. Chain indaba Muremi nini nisihlisile namhlanje. Yinina nje number 1 kwabantu abadlisa team indaba. Wena usihlisile ngalela bhola leliya. Chain, you could have done better. Abanye goalkeeper baseve nga 10 shots. Wena nje bakushaya kabili kathathu kwabi goal. Muremi bekumele ubuye ne-hat-trick namhlanje kade udekele ibhola ugange ukuthi uGorilla kusho ukuthi sesikhohliwe yabo amasapha coach nawo nje bengingawatholi kahle kodwa nje ileague sihambile i-Sundowns izoyiwina again i-league ngoba i-Sundowns ke isadliwa manje and thina besingagcini ukudrop ama-points namhlanje yabo. Igame nje namhlanje kuyigame ye-Orlando Pirates ejwayelekile ukuthi iswelele isicapitalizile kwamaphutha e-Orlando Pirates. Lento esihlezi address ukuthi siyobe sithola ithina azovele nje shinet mase nina nithini nilokhu bavikela labantu laba. Hlezi mesikhuluma nithi sama plastic fans, mesikhuluma sithi kanti nifunana siconsidanga nje nizothenike kuloko sisa number 1 nje. Hayi bandla sozwa kunina sobona phambili sekumele senze show nje bafethu ukuthi at least ya qualify for i-Champions League ngoba manje bese iwini league sozama kahle next season nakhona futhi.
You see what happens when you don't start Hoto. Hoto is the heartbeat of Orlando Pirates. That guy plays every single position on that pitch. But let's move on from Hoto. I need to understand something. So it takes an ex-Orlando Pirates player to come score at the arena. Meaning what I said a few months ago was true. I need measurements of the goalposts at Orlando Stadium. They're not the same as everywhere else around the country because it took an ex-Orlando Pirates player to hit a grass cut. He was cutting the top of the grass. Hey, Archie, you weren't saving that thing. That was tucked away, grass cutter in the corner because Pule knows the size of those goals. That's why he can score a goal like that and nobody around the country can do it. That's why, Pule, what a goal. But also, don't get me wrong, Muremi's goal, also very good goal. Now, my Buccaneers, I warned you. When you guys were winning 2-1s or scrappy 2-1s, late goals, I warned you and I said the way Pirates winning is not comfortable. It's not convincing. Meanwhile, Clark Cobb is on the eye. But you can sit here, 75 minutes, 0-0 Sundowns, and you know Sundowns are going to win the game. Orlando Pirates, you weren't even sure if they're going to come back from that 1-0. They missed chances. Yes, they missed chances, but it's still... they make it look hard. I don't know how to explain it. I just can't get it right into words. But Ricardo Goss saved everything. Ricardo Goss even gave the ball to Orlando Pirates and said, shoot again, and saved it. Some keepers are dangerous, straight. He gave it to him and said, shoot, and still saved it. But Pagania, yeah, tough times. And I'm not going to sit here and banter Orlando Pirates. I don't have a license to banter them. Pirates made me start a political party, so I'm going to be here. No bantering Orlando Pirates. Not saying they twat anything like that. None of it. They put me in my place. They made me form a political party. We are handing out memorandums. We are holding interviews. We are doing a lot. We're having court cases. So, bantering Orlando Pirates, that I cannot do. But I just want to say one thing, Orlando Pirates. I'm a Buccaneers supporters. Can we now say together, please? Yeah, say it with me. Give Mamelodi Sundowns the league now, please. The rest of the games we can just email each other 3 points, whatever. The rest of us can play from number 2 to 8.
Let draw. It feels like a lose. Kuthi singamabhakaniya. Let draw esidlale 1-1 nesiwelele. It feels like a lose. Ithetha ukuthini lonto ngathi? Ithetha ukuthi sinzima. Uyazi xa uyi-A student xa ungaba yabaperforma kakhulu kuhlala kulindele kuba fumana 90 something. The moment ukuthi ufumene 50 out of 100 kuwe it feels like ufailile lonto le. Yayibo, let draw lena kuthi ibhlungu kakhulu. You won't understand ke nina ningo number 6. O number 6 ngeke bayiqhubha. Yeah zezinto kuthiwa zi nice life problems. Into yoba ungayifumani le uyifuna but awuphumanga ungaphathanga nto. Siphume no 1 point pa. Let draw le, it feels like a lose but it's not a lose. And it doesn't mean that Sundowns will take the league. We are still going to take the league. Sisazoyithatha league. Bona bashiyeke njengoba sisithrowele game bane advantage ye game in hand, not points in hand. Game in hand. Kumaromo Gallants ngolesibili. It's not guaranteed ukuthi bazoyiwina nabo. Yeah. It's not guaranteed. Bangadlala idraw nabo kanye babethwe. kwenzeke worse babethwe iGallants kaloku iGallants ayiyo le team bebedlala nayo izolo le ningayaziwa ifike njani kwesa stage siphezulu kanje seCAF iGallants siyayazi hey nina hey iGallants siyayazi thina it's not guaranteed ukuthi bazowina nabo Tuesday and noma bangawina xa begqiba wina siyabuya futhi ngeweekend kuposition 1 bazohlala nje ezonsukwana zimbalwa of view once yeah
Right, it is Orlando Pirates 1 siwelele 1 umdlalo phethwe Premiership bule Orlando Amstel Arena khona namhlanje ufethu ukukhathazeka it's normal as a fan vele ulinde ukuthi team yakhe ihlale wina kakhulukazi mayisekhaya and ikule position ekuyona njengamanje where they are fighting for the league, you understand? So we can't rely on ekutheni Orlando Pirates izowina ama game out just because Sundowns won the day before. You understand? Because manje kucacile they had no pressure whatsoever. It's Sundowns they were not playing. Yeah. So manje we back foot ngendlela isimanga kodwa awukhali mfethu, understand? You understand mfethu, okay fine. The reason why Ricardo Goss was man of the match is because Orlando Pirates they were coming in and they were coming in hard and he was up for the task upon Ricardo Goss. Bear in mind this is a national team goalkeeper Ricardo Goss, understand? He's so good. So mfethu ukuthi ke ube man of the match, that should tell you something good upon Orlando Pirates ibimfikela. Hayi indaba yokudlala abafana abadlalile, I don't know lie kunamaphutha mfethu, kunamagoli awu2 ileli lakarele eli-free header bengalibeka esifubeni alishaye beli easy ngendlela eyisimanga, beli easy but ke uyafana noMessi. Angisho ukuthi ufana noMessi izindayikho uMessi uRelebohile, but ngekhanda abekho that influential, understand? Abekho that deadly ngekhanda, understand? So laphana mfethu uMoremi mohopa mfethu ushaya high press emnandi ku Ricardo Goss, ibhola lifike uMoremi angazi mina mfethu angazanga mfethu, hey angazanga kodwa ke mfethu ngiyabona abantu bayahleka bayajabula hey na droga yabona mfethu uyigade lokuhleka umuntu, okay? Uyigade eyokuhleka umuntu ononyaka omubi evarsity, okungahambanga kahle kuyena evarsity, okungahambi kuyena evarsity, enza i-degree ye-course ebaluleke ngendlela eyisimanga, and then wena usaxanga ugrade 8 nje, wena nje ulwela ugrade 8 nje, ulwela ugrade 8 uyakushika kodwa iminyaka emidala ingaka kodwa uzohleka umuntu osevarsity unesibindi. Yazi you should be ashamed of yourself. Yumumu. Right bafethu, angifuni ukuqamba manga, abafana abadlalile igame ebimnandi iswelele naso phela bafethu. Yabona ngithema ngibuka starting 11 siswelele ngasho ukuthi hey laba bafana laba wabona abantu bayinkinga laba bafana bala. Kwabona mfethu iswelele siphethe abadlale abawushukela wodwa mfethu, understand? Therefore it wasn't gonna be easy even though mfethu draw ekhaya kuyilesikhathi critical phase of the league. Mfethu uyazi no man iyafana ke ne lose le draw. Iyafana ne lose, I mean iyafana nje mfethu ne lose. Yabona nje it's like we lost, understand? But ke mfethu kuse eli kakhulu 9 games to go. I do believe that nabanye esiphikisana nabo ne league bazoqhuzuka nabo at some point, basazodlala ne Kaizer Chiefs. Uyazi ukuthi i Kaizer Chiefs kambe izobashaya, yabo, you understand? So mfethu ngokwami abafowethu ngiyafisa abadlali beOrlando Pirates bangashonisi amagazi phansi namakhanda phansi, yabo. They should go out there with their head high ukuze sinqobe egcineni.
Angazi bafethu abadlali abayifuni league sengibonile. It's pointless as abalandeli to continue supporting players obobona ukuthi abayifuni Stan League, like abayifuni 14 corners, goal kicks, 1 on target, the rest dahluleka. Moremi had more than 3 chances a game in wahluleka, like why Moremi khona lapho uMahopa wine khona ibhola amnika, like composure, values ukeep ushaye wajaha. So buya sizothi coach wadakaza ukuthi melenzeni, but it's evident ukuthi coach Wade is doing the coaching, it's just players abangafuni ukora. Mfugeng has had also a chance just to ball relax fagane team wakhetha ukhetha, like it's about this game. But coach Wade did say the game against Iswelele is not going to be an easy game, so I expected my results also, but we had more than how many shots, but credits must be given to goalkeeper while Iswelele. He did good, and he deserves man of the match. He did save Iswelele from an embarrassing scoreline that they could have gotten today, but Barrett
Okay, bafethu, let's it for ivideo namhlanje ne. Um yabona nje mfethu into ebuhlungu kakhulu about this game ukuthi manje mfethu ayisekho into like we are looking forward to, because even i-Nedbank isiphumile kuyona bro. At least under Rivero we knew ukuthi if we blow the league, at least if we have a final in Nedbank that we can look forward to, mhlawumbe we might win it and isizini sivale kahle with something. But this season there's nothing to look forward to. There is nothing to look forward to because mfethu yo. And yeah, mfethu nami ngiyafuna uma positive ngisho ukuthi yeah, I was expecting a hard game against Iswelele, playing against Richards Bay, then Iswelele like kulandelana was not going to be easy. But looking at the amount of chances we created and we couldn't convert, mfethu sometimes mfethu even though uPeter kade engenzi kahle azange imlono rimdedele, they still had to Peter, they had to Reynolds, they signed uBrian ofikayo manje and bonke bayakora mfethu. Why did you loan out Mabasa? Why? Because phela if umbuthu makasebenzi uMakgopa akasebenzi nangu Mabasa ukhona ngabe sinenye option bra, but now we loaned him out to mina nje mfethu disappointed. I'm disappointed but mfethu I won't hide it. I'm disappointed. Abona Umremi mfethu is a good player, but mfethu mfethu ba selfish mfethu, like abona manje mfethu I've come to a conclusion yokuthi iSundowns having ama-fans amancane is a blessing to them, because iPlaymouth Sundowns lazi ukuthi la ngizodlala la I'm not here to become a celebrity. Because once you sign for Pirates or Chiefs, you celeb mfethu. All of a sudden become a celebrity. So funa yonke into bengawe ama headlines bo wena, because we're going to trend the whole week look kunywa ngawe because phela but I don't even know what to say mfethu. I don't even know what to say. We created chances dlale kahle but we couldn't convert. We took our best strikers at akahambe ku Stellenbosch for bafethu ngicela subscribe and comment bafethu, ngizonibona kusasa ngegame Chiefs nje ileague ivayile bafethu. Angeke lokungidlala ngithi ileague ivayile. I don't see Sundowns losing to anybody right now. And right now Sundowns bafethu iyaqala bafethu ngene formini ngene egiyeni and we're expecting them to lose. Kanjani? Sundowns might even go to yo because I was looking at ICAF. Amateam akhona ayabheda mfethu. Alali mfethu ifuna ukukhatha amasalary ama-player, iBhekani iyabheda, iPyramids iyabheda. So Sundowns njengoba mfethu ipick up iform manje, they might even win ICAF ne-league. I swear.